Your Alma 200 arrives palletized, so the first step is to cut and remove the straps. Then gently slide the box off the pallet. Make sure to follow the instructions on the box to ensure it is upright and you are opening the correct side. Once you have removed the tape and opened the correct side, firmly grasp the Alma 200 by the frame and easily slide it out of the box. Locate the certificate of authenticity. There is a tag attached to the bottom of your chair with the matching serial number. You will also find your warranty form. Please follow the instructions to properly register your product. Lift the chair legs to remove the protective trays. Then remove the chair bag. The instructions for controlling the tensions of the dynamic recline are located next to the knurled wheel. Gently pull to remove. The Alma 200 arrives fully assembled and ready to use. Please contact us with any issues or questions.